Hello student, today we will do exercise 4.4 of chapter 4th quadratic equations. In sum number 1, we have to find the nature of roots. What is nature? If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then two real distinct root exists. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then two equal roots. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then no real roots. Less than 0 means to say negative term. We already discussed these three in the previous exercise 4.3. Now the sum. Sum number 1, part first. Statement. Compare a to b minus 3, c 5. Now discriminant b square minus 4ac minus 3 whole square, 4 into 2 into 5, 9, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, minus 31, which is less than 0. So equation having no real roots. That's why we will leave the sum here only. Second part. Statement. A3 b minus 4 root 3 c 4. Discriminant b square minus 4ac four 4 is 16, 16 3s are. How we can solve it? 4 4 is 16, root 3 makes 3, 16 3s are 48. 4 3s are 16, 4s are 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48, cancel 0. So equation having equal zeros. Apply. Now quadratic formula, that is, we already knows. Put the values. Minus 4 root 3, discriminant 0, 2a means to say 2 into 3, minus plus, root 0 0 by 6. One time we will take plus 0, another time minus 0. There will be no effect on the sum. 2 2s are 2 3s are. Both are same zeros. Answer. Now the next is part third. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Discriminant b square minus 4ac b a c makes 12, which is greater than 0. Now apply quadratic formula. We will put it directly. Minus b plus minus discriminant by 2a. 6 plus minus root 12, we can write it as 2 root 3 by 4. Take common 2, cancel, we have 2 zeros, 3 plus root 3 by 2, 3 minus root 3 by 2. Now the next question number second. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have equal roots. For equal roots, condition b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. B, k square a2c3. K square is equals to 4 2s are 8 3s are 24. Then k is equals to root 24. We can write it as 2 root 6 plus minus. That is the answer. Next is part second. Solve it. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equals to 0. For equal zeros or roots, equation b square minus 4ac equal to 0. B minus 2k whole square 4 into k into 6. 4k square minus 24k equals to 0 after multiplication. Take 4k common, remaining part either 4k equals to 0, k minus 6 equals to 0, then k. 0 and 6 is the answer. Thank you.